Hi, and welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the 3 steps you need to take to build your business online. Whether you're doing network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping or whatever other business you're building online, these are the steps that's going to get you results. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get into the content. Why do people struggle to grow a successful 6-figure plus home business? It's simple. Information overload. It's so easy to get overwhelmed, because there's a ton of info being thrown at us every day about how we should be building our businesses. Where do you start? What do you do next? Maybe a blog? Facebook ads? Email? Instagram? There are so many options. They're all good. And they've all been proven to work. Leads and fortunes have been made with all kinds of different marketing strategies. But it's like drinking water through a fire hose. It's too much all at once, especially if you're just getting started online. When you stop, breathe, and look at the simple context of every successful business, then the confusion disappears. Here are 3 actions to focus on every single day for success with the attraction marketing formula. Just 3 actions is all you need to think about, and everything starts to fall into place. In fact, every successful online business focuses on these 3 activities. Action number 1. Build your audience. Your audience is the key to making everything else in your online business move forward. Inside the audience you are building is where you will find your soon-to-be leads, prospects, sales and sign-ups. And they're waiting for you. What does an audience look like? Here are some examples: Facebook fan page likes and followers, YouTube subscribers, Twitter followers, Instagram followers, Facebook Messenger subscribers, your email list of subscribers. Focus your actions on building one solid audience every single day until you're up to 10 plus leads per day from that platform, and you feel you have mastered that particular platform and strategy. If your audience isn't growing, your business isn't growing. The link in the description below has training on how to build your audience on all the marketing platforms available today. Action number 2, engage with your audience. When you engage with your audience, you begin building relationships. When you begin to build relationships with your tribe, you start to build what we call the know, like, and trust factor. And it is critical if you want people to want to do business with you. You engage by creating valuable content that serves your target audience, which makes your tribe want to engage with you and your content. You engage by interacting with the people who engage with any and all of your content. Okay, so what does that really mean? It depends on the audience you're building. If you're building an audience on Facebook, then you'll want to post valuable content there, such as text posts and quote images. And you'll want to create valuable content that is share-worthy, comment-worthy, and creates engagement, because it's valuable to the one consuming your content. Action number 3, sell to your audience. This is the fun part. This is where you start making some money and building your empire. You've built an audience, you've created engagement, you've built relationships and the know, like, and trust factor. Now it's time for the sale. Unfortunately, too many people start at this activity. They don't build the foundational framework with activities 1 and 2, and they start asking for the sale right away. This is what we refer to as pitching instead of leading with value. Doing this is what gets good people labeled as spammers. I hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for a platform that shows you step by step how to build, engage and sell to your audience. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.